friends, welcome to my channel. This is your host Sudipto. Are you going for any certification on Azure? If yes, this could be the right video. In this video, I will show you how you can avail a free coupon to appear in AZ900 certification. Okay. Let's now discuss a little bit about Azure in the context of cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the biggest shift now happening in the recent years, where most of the organizations, big firms are going or are moving their infrastructure, applications, data on the cloud, right? So there is a huge amount of job opportunity on this cloud space, and that's why most of the young generation as well as the students, employees of different organizations are going for this space. How you can prove your skill? By availing certification. That's why the certifications comes into the picture. Okay, so in cloud space we have top 3 companies who are providing this cloud service. One is Azure, which is provided by Microsoft. Second is AWS, that is provided by Amazon. Third is GCP, which is provided by Google. Alright, now all these 3 top firms has different kind of programs to share this knowledge and get the employees ready to take up new jobs in this cloud space. They have a certification program and they have learning program as well. In certification, there are 3 levels of certification. One is the fundamental levels, then the associate level, and the last one is the top level, which is professional level certification. But here in this video I will be talking about the fundamental level certification, that is AZ900. AZ900 is certification provided by Azure, where you will understand the basic concept, the basic services, fundamental services that are there in the Azure, and you will also learn about cloud computing. What is cloud computing, how it is helping organizations, those kind of details you have to learn. So there are courses which you will learn, and once you are really satisfied and confident with your learning, then probably you can appear for the AZ900 certification. Okay, now let's go to my screen, and there I will show you how you can avail the coupon. All right, friends.
I am now at my screen. Let me open Chrome or Safari, any browser here. So I'll go ahead and open Safari, and then I will type google.com. Here I will be typing, I'll be searching Microsoft events. So Microsoft events, let me give you a little bit background of Microsoft events. In these events, Microsoft conducts many virtual training for the public. So anyone can attend this virtual training, and then they will learn about the topics which will be taught in the virtual training, and then maybe if they are comfortable can go for the certification. So let me go ahead and click on this link. So you'll get this link, events.microsoft.com. Now you will open this link, eventsmicrosoft.com. Here is the homepage of Microsoft.com events page, right? Here you will have a section for each of the services or products that Microsoft provides. So I'll go ahead and click on Azure, since we are looking for Azure. This free coupon is only for Azure. Now here I'll go for the virtual training, for Azure virtual training. I'll open that up, and then you will find here there is a fundamentals is written, fundamentals. As soon as you select on these fundamentals, you will get all the trainings that are available only for fundamentals. That is AZ900. So as you can see, these are the schedules for Azure fundamentals virtual training. We have one training starting on 23rd 11. Then we have another training starting on 1st of December. So you can, based on your availability, you can register for any of these slot. So let me just open this November slot, and I will go through the section where it is written that you will be getting a free coupon after completing this events. So here you have how to register. You can register by on the right side, see there is written register now. Here you will provide all this information: first name, last name, email, job role, company, your current company name. If you are a student, you can provide that as well. and then you will go ahead and register now. Click on the register now button, so you will get email notification with the confirmations of the seats of your seats. So, friend, here one thing I just want to mention that after completing this training, you will be able to prepare for cloud migration activity, optimize Azure-based workloads. Then you will also learn the best practices of managing virtual machines and applications. And here it is written: take the Microsoft Azure fundamental examinations at no cost. So this is what I was talking to you, my friends. Here, once you have done completing this this virtual training, you will be able to get a coupon, and using that coupon, you will be able to appear in this examination as your fundamental certification examination at no cost. So that's it. So go ahead, friends, register for this training and complete this training. There are two parts, part one and part two. There's 2 days session, and attend both the sessions in order to get the coupon. Once you get the coupon, you can appear for the exam at no cost. Trust me, friend, I had done it, so that's why I'm encouraging you also to avail this service from Microsoft. Get the free coupon, learn about AZ900, about the fundamentals of Azure, and then go for it. Go for the examination and get it done. All right, friends, and yeah, this is amazing service from Microservice. I think you should amazing service from the Microsoft. You should go for it. Please let me know in the comment if you are finding it useful, or if you have able to clear the examination. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, friends, thanks for watching my video, and I will request you, if you are finding it useful, then please subscribe my channel and also like it. Okay, thanks, friends, for watching my video.